Welcome YouTube, Audie box order, the ABOX. Oh yeah. This ABOX is ABOX Horror. It has some items from The Shining, It, The Birds, which is like an Alfred Hitchcock. What else? I think Saw. I don't know, I forgot what the theme was, but we're fixing to find out. Anyway, ABOX Horror, and let's get started. Oh yeah, one more thing. A/box.com. That's where you can find stuff. Alright. First item. The Shining, Jack's Journal. Check it out. It's pretty neat. Pretty heavy duty. The Shining, Jack's Journal. 232 line pages. Theme imprints on each page. Ribbon bookmark, full color artwork, and inside cover. That's pretty cool. I'll definitely use this at work. I was kind of hoping that the Shining item was either a shirt or maybe a figure or something, but that's cool. I like it. It's pretty neat. It's a journal. I'll use it when I'm at work. T-shirt. Let's see what the T-shirt is. Alright, cool. So it's The Birds. Alfred Hitchcock. Alfred Hitchcock? I can't even say the word. Anyway, pretty neat shirt. One thing about ABOX is their quality of their items. They don't put cheap stuff in here, it doesn't seem like. Alright, let's see here. What is it? The Evil Within. It's a comic book. One edition. I'm not big into comics. I guess that's cool, I guess. I honestly... whatever. I honestly don't... I'm not into comics. Take all this stuff out. Please tell me this is not the It item. It's a red balloon, but I hope it's not the It item. Okay. Then here we go. This is usually like the little exclusive. Oh, cool, yeah. Okay, that's neat. There's the other It item. Boom. It pop. It's pretty neat. I already have this one, but there we go. Right here in this collection. Big It fan. That's neat. Here's a pin. Jigsaw pin. Yay, a pin. Another pin. Oh, that's cool. Little pin, turns. It's pretty neat. It's pretty cool. And Aliens, the Nostromo collection. Oh, that's pretty neat. Let's see which one I got. Oh, cool. The face hugger. Check that out. It's pretty cool. And this is an exclusive one? 2 out of 20. I guess that's the chances. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't really collect these, but I guess now I do. That's another thing. Alien is a sci-fi movie. I don't know why the Xenomorph from the Alien franchise comes up in horror, but whatever. I guess the alien scares people. Check that out. And the little face hugger hugging the little dude. Which one is this one? Big champ. So I guess this is the exclusive. One out of 40. Well, cool. That's pretty much it for the ABOX. What's this? ABOX subscriber download RZOmbie app. Little thing I can download an app on my phone. And the horror edition content card. Alien vinyl figures. Funko Pop It. Alfred Hitchcock. T-shirt. The balloon. And jigsaw spinning blade, and along with the shining hardcover journal. It says right here, it says, is there a gremlin in your box? 25 random subscribers have a matted and signed gremlin silhouette in their box, ready to frame. Oh wow, that would have been nice to have. Whatever. Thank you for your order. Alright, so check it out, ABOX.com, A-box.com. You can hook them up on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I'll put the links in the descriptions down below. That's pretty much it for the A-box. Not a bad box. The items pretty high quality on it. So whatever. That's it. That's all I got. Peace. I'm out. A-box. Hey, you got any watermelon?